love it. I love it. God, I'm sorry. Today I'm having oats. I made let's go.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong?
Only 20 minutes.
Success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.
I feel so much better after like the first 10 minutes of rope jumping. So let's go.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna
Let's get going.
and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
6.
I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place. See, cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I will run away, I don't.
That was really nice workout. I feel like it's only 20 minutes, but it really does a lot for my mental health. Like I can go ahead and enjoy my day with a little bit lightness. It's not, I don't have to drag my feet around, so it was really nice. I'm hungry, but first let me go have a shower. Yeah, I feel wonderful. That's my combo for after shower. And this is all I'm going to use for my shower. The Bridgerton, a Dove with the Bridgerton thing. So I'll see you later for breakfast. So I am finally having breakfast after such a workout. I always love to eat something that's filling, that I can just go by throughout my day and don't have to be looking for the next snack around the corner. So today I'm having some oats with almond, and also 2 eggs with that, some protein. I have also some pecan nuts. I love to eat, now and then I love to eat nuts, but my skin doesn't like nuts. Every time if I eat like 2 days in a row nuts, my skin will break out the third day. And I'm having some tea. So I was in boarding school for 2 years, and every morning we would have for breakfast we have oats. Like imagine like the consistency of it was not so like porridgey. It was really bad. But then now I understand, because imagine cooking for 600 kids. And then after boarding school I was like, oh no, I don't never want to see oats again in my life. But yeah, today here we are. It was really a time. Yeah. Looks really yummy. I'm trying to quit coffee. That's why I'm having tea for breakfast. It doesn't taste as joyful as having a cup of coffee, but it's a start. Welcoming spring in the house. I picked up some tulips 2 days ago, but it went off like so quickly. But they're so pretty. I love the mixture of purple and white. They just brighten up your day. I think it's enough water. Tulips don't need so much water. We'll see. So I picked up a few items for spring. So let me show you. Really, I was ready to welcome spring this time. So I went to Rituals. I've never shopped at Rituals before. And I got this beautiful gorgeous perfume. Look at that, it's so pretty, really pretty. And look, I love the wooden scent. It smells heavenly, so feminine, so really absolutely gorgeous. So let me show you another one. Let me put this here. And then I got a hair and body mist, cherry blossoms. I also love the texture. I feel like somebody put in the work to look like it's wooden. It's so pretty. I don't know why I've never been to. It's absolutely gorgeous for the hair and for the body. So you can just shower from above. And I picked up, I was asking a girl who works in the shop, and I said, what do you recommend? I said, you can use this one, it's not so dry for the skin. It's a body scrub, renewable body scrub, sugar and cherry blossom. Let me open it. It smells, that's how it looks. It smells really, it's not so in the nose like I'm here. It's really, yeah. Can you hear that? It's really, wow. Yeah. I can't wait to try it on my body and just peel off the dead window skin. So let me show you something else. The other day I didn't mean to go shopping on splash or spend money on things, but it's a piece that I look at it and it was just calling for my name, calling for me to save it. So I pick it up and I said, let me see you, baby. Let me show you. This is the prettiest piece. I feel like it's a very, very lovely spring piece. Look at that. So yeah, I'm going to try it on and I'll be right back. I was asking in the store if they had it in little in purple, but they didn't. They have one, and this is how it looks. It looks really pretty, and I have accessories. Now I feel like I can now go to the library, or better yet, where are my chickens? I need to go and live in a cottage and feed the chickens and the tomatoes, and it's really pretty and it's quite warm also. I have now only a t-shirt underneath, and yeah, what do you guys think? I feel really pretty. I feel so feminine, so girly. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's really pretty, and this is a lot of work. To put this all together is a lot of work, but I feel like this is the goal. Spring look. I love it. I love it. Pick up some pieces. I pick up a piece from Marmot. I had a fleece from Marmot, and I think I have now two, but the other one was the texture was always like, it got dustier so quickly, and I didn't like that. Like every time you have to, before you leave the house, you have to really use a brush. And I finally found a Marmot shop somewhere on the way from Davos home, and they have this texture. It's so beautiful. It's I picked up a S, but I'm not sure anymore if it fits or it's too big. Let me try it on. Let's see. Let me get up. Yeah, I don't know. It feels a little bit too big, but who knows? Maybe I'll grab some annual fit. And I also didn't know if I wanted it's okay with kaputsa. It's really I love the texture, and it's just that it doesn't get dusty easily. That's nice. I love the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, that's one of them. Oh, let me get my tea before it gets cold. So nice. I promised myself I would finish this book. Like, I got it last month and I was thinking now by the end of the month I'll finish it, but I didn't because it got really a little bit sad and I couldn't handle it, so I took 2 weeks off, and yeah, I'm starting now over again. So I'm at chapter 26. Here's the book, and yeah, I'll read a little bit. So this book is about a teenage boy who lost his family and one girl, like, and it's just getting sadder and sad and more sad, and I don't know. I'll read a chapter. I'll try to read a chapter every day. That doesn't get too much, but just imagine a 17-year-old boy losing his whole world. And now in this chapter 26, he's now going to the place where you want to see where the parents and his sister ended up. And I don't know, I found it really, it's maybe like you want to know or want to feel something. So yeah, it gets really sad. I don't know if they have it in English. It's a German book, at least for now. But it's about friendship, grief and life and love. So it's a beautiful book, but I think I will need more. I have to take it a little bit lighter, slower. It's kind of like I sometimes see myself in a book, sometimes so. I think when you deal with grief yourself, when you deal with grief or you're dealing with grief yourself at the moment, it's like such a hard thing. Like it comes in waves and then you don't care and then you fine with what happened and then it comes in a way that throw you off. So at some parts I understand how the boy is feeling. I'll probably go out for a walk because I just want to enjoy this nice little day. I don't want to feel bad for not doing anything. I just enjoy the day. I actually have windows to clean, but those episodes of maniac episode of cleaning haven't arrived in my to me yet. They haven't attacked me yet, this maniac cleaning, spring cleaning. No, not yet, but I hope soon because my windows are, let's just say, they need a clean up, a deep cleaning for that matter. So schön, das Ding, wenn alles dann auf die andere Seite grün ist und ein Schiff kommt. Wir folgen mal die.
Magst du eine Taube von denen?